While Kinsman were busy delivering their new, easily assembled cube range of flat-pack cabinetry to our blockheads, I popped over to the Kinsman Factory to take a sticky peek at how the new cube range is made. This week, the contestants are working on the final rooms in their houses, and that means a lot of last-minute orders for cabinetry here at Kinsman Kitchens, and boy, have they asked for a lot. Not only are they putting in 5 cube kitchens into the 5 cellars, but there's also lots of extra wardrobes and cabinetry for the extra rooms that they've put into their houses. Luckily, these guys are one of the biggest kitchen companies in Australia. Over the last 11 weeks, Kinsman have delivered over 400 cabinets to the block, for kitchens, wardrobes, studies and more. And the way they can deliver all of this in record time is thanks to their state-of-the-art factory right here in Oz. Luckily for us, these guys have spent some big bucks on some very flash toys like that bloke there, storing the whole kitchen in shelves. Amazing. Hey Bryce, this factory is so impressive.
It's pretty amazing.
I don't think we'd get our gear if you didn't have this sort of equipment.
It would be very difficult, particularly with some of the projects we do and just trying to meet the demand. So
yeah, and then the kitchens are just coming out on the conveyor belt, aren't they? Mate, thank you. I'm sorry for the order.
That's all right. No. All good.
Good on you, mate.
Thank you. Thanks, Scotty.
Well, here we go, mate. The new cube system from Kinsman.
It's a flat pack system. I actually like it too.
How good's that, mate? Easy to get down anywhere, travel with it, put it in your car.
Be cost effective. I tell you what, it's actually very nice too. That veneer is beautiful.
You know what the best thing about it is? Anyone can install it.
Mate, even Josh and Luke. Well, maybe.
No, I think they'll be able to do it.